Hi, this is Jenny Gonzalez with Keller Williams Corona. Today we are going to talk about closing. What should I do before closing? As your closing nears, you should stay in close touch with your agent, lender, and title company. Avoid lowering your credit score with new credit applications or late payments. Confirm that your contract contingencies are resolved, including the home inspection and appraisal and your financing. Finalize your homeowner's insurance policy. Gather your down payment and closing cost funds in an accessible account. Review your closing disclosure form, which you'll receive 3 days before your settlement, and ask questions if you don't understand something. Arrange a wire transfer or get a cashier's check for the funds you need for the settlement. Schedule a walkthrough of your new home within 24 hours before your closing to check its condition. What can I expect at closing? In a word, paperwork. Allot a few hours for your closing. Bring to the closing a government-issued photo ID, proof of homeowner's insurance, your copy of the contract, all paperwork associated with your loan and the home purchase, your cashier's check and wire transfer confirmation, your checkbook for miscellaneous funds that weren't included on your closing estimate. What paperwork is required to close? You'll be signing numerous documents, including a repeat of the documents you signed when you applied for your loan. The most important documents you'll sign are promissory note to repay the mortgage, deed of trust, which gives the lender the right to foreclose if you don't repay the loan, what's covered and what's not, initial escrow disclosure, which outlines the funds on deposit for your property taxes and homeowner's insurance bills, right to cancel form, which states that you have 3 business days to cancel the transaction. So, what's next? After your closing, keep all of your signed documents in a safe place. Avoid lowering your credit score with a new credit application or late payments. Change your address. Change the locks and security codes on your home. Review your due dates and new budget. Congratulations! You've got the keys to your new home. Stay in touch with your agent for future recommendations and service. I am proud to be a member of Keller Williams Corona. My license number is 01249788 and Keller Williams Corona license is 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated, but we all work as a team. As you see, we're all wearing red here, and we have Red Day, and that has all of us with hearts because we give back to the community and we love our community.
Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate. And you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Williams Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374, and my license number is 01249788. Thank you for watching the video. I am Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, and I provide all real estate services. And to me, a home is not just a place to live. Home is where memories are made.